What are you going to cook? Pimot ban shet ayu. I boil potatoes with lentils. Nga shet sarwa upan baduday. Why don't you fry it? Balay pimsus di eka. He likes eating boiled usngobang manbam sarwa. Can you eat boiled? Pila manbam sarwa. I eat only sometimes. Nga bam tang teng teng. Do you know how to fry? Pinang kumno ban sdi? I know, but it is not tasty. Nganang tang bakambang ra. Whenever my mother fry vegetables, man ba imay nga isdi jur. The vegetable is very tasty. Ujur ubang siya bapalad. I usually eat 2 plates of rice. Man kapuar nga bam arplyang kaja. If my father cooks, lara shet I Pa. It is tasty but very spicy. Kabang ba, tang ba kasat ba. My grandmother cannot eat it. I Mei I Pa imla ban bam.